In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix a situation whereby you are trying to join a Windows 11 device to a Windows Azure Domain Controller, and then you receive an error message which says an Active Directory domain controller for the domain could not be contacted. But mind you, this is actually not an on-premise or a physical servers or physical virtual device. This is actually Azure operating devices. So if I go to my let me go to my Azure environment, you can see if I go to, let me just go to like home, I go to virtual machines, and you can see we have two virtual machines here. This is the DC001, that's my domain controller, and here I have a Windows 11 which I'm trying to use as my golden image. So, and then if I go back again to my virtual machines, here you can see I'm connected to the two operating system using remote desktop protocol. So the RDP actually allows me to connect to this device using the public IP address from Azure. So right now I'm trying to join this Windows 11 device to this server, and I'm receiving this error message. So let me just cancel that. So when I click on that, you can see I'm receiving this error message. And if you go to the IP address and you click details, you can see this is actually, they are both in the same IP range. So let me just click let me see, I think I have the IP address here. Click on the internet, and then you can see they are both on the same range, but at this moment we have an issue. You can see the DHCP as well, server, and also you can see it's actually the same, and the default gateway is also the same, while the IP address actually the same range. The difference is just the 4 and 5. So let me show you how to actually fix this issue. So first of all, I want to cancel this. So now, because I'm trying to join this device to a domain controller, the Windows 11 device needs to know the IP address of that device. That is, I'm talking about the DNS. So if we go to details, you can see that the DNS is only referred to the default DNS of the DHCP server. So at this moment, you can see this my Windows operating server, there's no DNS there. So what I need to do is the following. I will need to go to properties, and then I will need to go to the TCP IP version 4, and then select properties. So right now we need to use the following DNS server address. So I'm going to enter the IP address of this server. That's a 10, let me see, 10.104, and then the alternative DNS is now going to be 168.1.2.2.9, then 16. So it's going to be the standard DNS we have. So I already wrote it here. So what we need to do right now is to click OK, and then click close, and then close, and then when we click OK again, you can see at this moment we are not receiving that error message anymore. So we are now receiving the standard login info. So I now need to enter the following. So mind you, I will still need to enter the domain. We just enter the domain, which is globaltech.com/, and then enter your password, and then hit OK. So at this moment it's saying that the following error occurred. Attempt to join the domain. The device is joined to Azure AD. To join their domain, you must first go to settings and choose to disconnect your device from your work or school. Okay, that is actually a standard error message which I think we should receive. So what I need to do is I'll just need to do the following. I think I didn't do that before I joined this device. I'll need to do the dsregcmd and then do a leave. So by doing that, okay, I think we should be able to join now. Let's try and see, and then we enter again our domain name, and the password, here we go, and you can see it now says welcome to the globaltech.com. So thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. And please, if this video has been of any help to you, don't forget to join my subscribers, so that if I create new videos, you should be able to see my videos, and probably my video can assist you. Thank you very much for your time, and goodbye.